Taso.tsakos here. This is one of my recent investments in Diablo Country Club. When a lot of investors looked at it, the numbers didn't make sense based on the shape of the property. But one thing they left out is the possibility of adding an ADU. And that's what we did here. Why don't we go take a look and see how it's turning out. This part in here was a total disaster. The kitchen was closed off. There was no open concept. There was no primary with its own bathroom. We created a primary and we also opened up the kitchen to create this nice big living area. But the best part is where we added the ADU. Let's go take a look at that. Here's the ADU. We created its own entrance to give it some privacy. You can see the kitchen, which is almost complete. We have counters, backsplash going in, and then obviously appliances. The hardwood floor is covered right now, but in the after photos, you'll see how nice it is. We also wanted to create a private yard where people can entertain, which brings the value of this property even more and get a higher return on investment when renting this property and ultimately selling it at some point. Let's take a look at the yard. So here we have a big patio where people can entertain, patio furniture, barbecue, and then they have some privacy here. And it's different as opposed to living in a condo or a townhome where you're sharing walls. This is a little bit more private. We actually already have a waiting list for people to rent both of these places. So hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you on the next one.